Hi guys, welcome to Orchids 365. I'm so excited. It's my birthday week and I just received this beautiful surprise box and I'm gonna open it real quick and share this moment with you. So it says on the sticker here, or on the label, that it's from Orchids by the Lake. I'm not gonna open it because then if I open this, I'll know what's in the box. This is, oh my goodness. This one says Roxy on it. This one says Pot Jerry Redfield Paradise Fuchsia. Ooh, what a cutie. It is over 100 degrees right now. I am trying to get the shade. I'm standing actually on a, oh man, I took her out. Wait. I'm standing on a bag of dirt to hide from the sun, and I'm trying to do this without disintegrating. She's dangling, so I'm gonna put this in there. I'm gonna Google these beautiful babies and then put a stock picture for you guys to enjoy and see what I am receiving. And I'm sorry for the noise. I have to look for my microphone. I'm hoping that the audio is good. So, oh, poor baby. I'll fix her up. I was not expect this box is full. There's a huge orchid in here. I was not expecting all of this. This one has my name, Roxy, on it. Ooh. Wait, there's hitchhikers. I'm not wearing my gloves. I think they're ants though. I think we're good. As long as it's not a spider, I'm fine. Oh, how pretty. It's on a mound. Wow. Oh my god, this is great because it did the job for me. It's already on a mount. Oh, how pretty. Wow. I wonder who this is. And this one says the cuculata. Yes. Oh, how pretty. Look. Isn't she beautiful? Don't worry, the hitchhikers are just ants. I always panic because I have I'm so scared of spiders, and I have received them sometimes as hitchhikers. Okay, I'm gonna place it down like this. She is big and beautiful. I love this. I am feeling so spoiled right now from my beautiful orchid friends. Dendrobium pendulum. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. So cool. You guys. I'm so excited. I swear my heart is beating so fast right now. Look at this. I am so gonna put it on one of my mounts. I'm gonna grow it just like that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I swear, I don't know if I'm gonna explode or cry. I don't know what's gonna happen first right now. This is the best birthday gift ever. Ever. And I'm still not done. Uh-oh, everything's flying away. No, now we have a cloud. So now we have a rain cloud. What is this? My goodness, this thing is huge. Hold on, let me just put this here. I'm making a mess. I'm so excited. Ah! Give me a second. I'm dying. I just saw the ID. The Hilo Adventure Pinky. I don't have a lot of pink orchids, and I love them almost as much as I love my my blue orchids. And I have been seeing this one a lot, and the flowers have these beautiful speckles. Is this in bud? Oh my god. Oh my god, I might be able to see these flowers. This is so pretty. Oh my god. You guys. Oh no, Roxy. Oh my. I don't know. We'll be hopeful that they don't blast. They probably won't. They look pretty. See, because you know, when they sometimes it's okay for them to blast because they go through shock and the transport and the change of a environment. Like this one right here, see, may be broken, but I'm not gonna touch it. I'll leave it alone. But there's hope of me to see this. Oh god, here's the tag. You guys, thank you so much for this. And then Yoshi, thank you for sending me this one for my birthday. That was very, very sweet of you. I can't wait to see which one she is. I'm gonna look for it right now. I'm gonna share pictures of all of these beautiful orchids. I just want to say I can't think of any better way to start my birthday weekend. And nothing, I'm just incredibly thankful and grateful for these beautiful birthday orchids. I'm going to make a few videos for you this summer. My summer break just started and I have a few things in mind. I have some mounting, I have places that I want to share with you, so I look forward to hopping on here more often and making you guys videos. Sorry, I'm like up trying to hide from the sun. So with that being said, be safe, stay kind, and happy growing. Bye.